friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make some southern fried apple pies. It's a staple down here in the South, and we just love it. It's going to be so delicious. It's going to be bursting with apple goodness. It's going to be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And we're going to put a cinnamon sugar topping on it. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. Your whole family will love them. So grab your apples and your oil sugar, because we're about to fry some apple pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our cinnamon sugar topping, and it's so simple and easy. So in my bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Going to give that a quick stir. And there you have it, cinnamon sugar. All right, so now I'm going to set the cinnamon sugar aside while we get started on our apples. All right, my friends, over here I have my apples, and for this recipe I'm using 2 large Granny Smith and 2 large Gala apples, or you can use the apples of your choice. And we're going to peel them, core them, and cut them into chunks. All right, my friends, I'm through peeling, coring, and cutting my apples into chunks, so now we're ready to cook them. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I have 4 tablespoons, which is 1/4 of a cup of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in our apples. Add in 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. Got to make it sweet. And 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. Going to give that a quick stir. Smells good. And we're going to let our apples cook until they're nice and soft. All right, my friends, this is what the apples look like after they've been cooking for 15 or 20 minutes. Nice and soft. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I love the smell of cooked apples. All right, for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 1/4 teaspoons of caramel extract. We're going to stir that in. All right, so now we're going to let the apples cool completely. All right, my friends, our apples is nice and cool. Now we're ready to start on our apple pies. All right, my friends, let's get started on our apple pies. And instead of using a pie crust, we're going to use canned biscuits. That's right, sugar, canned biscuits. And I'm using the 8 jumbo ones, or you can use the regular ones, and it's much easier. So on my flour surface, we're going to take our biscuit, going to roll in the flour a little bit, and using my rolling pin, we're going to roll it to 7 to 8 inches. All right, my friends, I'm through rolling out my biscuit dough. So now we're going to take a little of the cool apple filling. Add a little bit more. And then I have some water in this cup. We're just going to take our fingers and just brush the edge of the dough. And then we're going to fold it just like this. And using a fork, we're just going to crimp the edges like this. So that way the filling will stay locked inside. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my apple pies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through folding up my apple pies. Now we're ready to fry them. All right, my friends, I got my oil nice and hot, and I got it to 350 degrees. That's the key to great fried apple pies. All right, here we go. We're going to gently put our apple pie into the oil. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, my friends, now it's time to flip our pies. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. All right, my friends, I'm through frying my apple pies. Don't that look good? They're going to be even gooder when we give our apple pies some sugar. While they're still hot, we're going to dunk our fried apple pies into the cinnamon sugar that we made earlier. Ooh, Lord have mercy. All right, and then we're going to put the apple pie on my platter. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my apple pies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern fried apple pies. Don't that look good with all that cinnamon sugar? Oh, I just swallowed my tongue. And it smells heavenly. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and there's one more thing I gotta add to it. Y'all know y'all can't have no apple pie without a good old scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's about to go in my belly. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, you hear that crunch? Ooh, look at that. So crispy. Apple's nice and tender. I can taste the spices. These fried apple pies, my friends, are the bomb.com amazing. Oh, and I love that cinnamon sugar. These would go great for Thanksgiving dinner. If you don't feel like making a whole pie, you can make these fried apple pies. Everyone will have their own individual one. And these also make great game day snacks. Touchdown! This deserves another bite with a little ice cream. Them apples. These are delightful. Down home country goodness. Apple pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.